Cyber Physical Systems, CPS, Workshop, Tonex Training. Length, 3 days. Cyber Physical Systems, CPS, Workshop. The 3-day workshop tackles security and protection issues in cyber physical systems. Cyber Physical Systems Workshop, Cyber Physical Systems, CPS, is a 3-day workshop on cyber physical systems security and privacy. CPS-SPC means to be the head workshop on security of cyber physical systems, for example, medicinal gadgets, fabricating and industrial control, SCADA, mechanical technology, self-ruling vehicles, and brilliant city. The goal of this workshop is to cover the security principles, threats, vulnerabilities and mitigation in cyber physical systems. Topics of interest will include overview of cyber physical systems, CPS, CPS domains and security, cyber attacks over cyber physical systems, CPS, CPS cyber issues, data and testbeds and security for CPS methods, success and failures in designing for resiliency, identify CPS tools and techniques, metrics for CPS security. Course agenda. Overview of cyber physical systems, CPS. Foundations for integration of cyber physical systems and modules. Overview of cyber physical systems, CPS, domains and security challenges. Cyber threat vectors and attacks over cyber physical systems, CPS. Techniques adopted in the physical domain and in the cyberspace. Tonex Cyber Physical Systems, CPS, Workshop. Request more information regarding cyber physical systems, CPS, Workshop. Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.